Hi, good morning. Vieira here with autonomous trading. Hertz is down 30% since the company reported earnings. What else did you expect? Last year in 2017, I was here completely for free ahead of earnings saying sell shares of Hertz. The share price is going to collapse. The share price collapsed, my friends. I already told you this last year. We had a junk rating. We recommend to sell, and this video is available completely for free on the web at $27 when the Americans they started raising targets. We said it is time to sell shares of Hertz, and we are downgrading not to neutral to sell or to strong sell. We are downgrading to junk, precisely to junk. Okay, so for those that they are subscribers, you just have to log in to the autonomous trading app, and therein you find more than 100 trade alerts, 100% accurate in Hertz, recommending to sell short, for example, 200,000 shares in one single day, 300,000 shares in one single day, for example, 50,000 shares, teaching and coaching the investor all these months and years. In fact, we have been discussing this company for a long period of time, how to make millions of dollars, I repeat, with 100% accuracy. So you'll find it in the extra performance model, you'll find it in the live technique analysis, you'll find it in the investor scores, you'll find it in more than 5 services at autonomous trading. Therefore, everyone had the opportunity to become a multi-millionaire selling short the great American scams, obviously, where the Americans are invested in. Okay? So this is a top investment pick for the Americans. Mr. Carl Icahn, the same person that one day told you that, companies, that they collapse down to single digits. You are very well aware of which companies I'm referring to, because I discussed them at the very top. The case of, for example, Chesapeake Energy, the case of Voltaire, and many others in the oil industry. And this is the best investment ever for Mr. Carl Icahn. So it is down 30% within 1 week, in days. Okay, after the company reported earnings, it was 48 hours. So if people are looking to become a multi-millionaire in the markets, I would say the only thing that you have to do, as I've been saying here repeatedly and proven for 30 years, okay, 30 years, the single best proven track record investing in the markets, you do precisely the opposite of what the Americans they tell you to do. If they are telling you to buy, you sell, and vice versa. If they are saying, sell, you buy, or you cover your short. Okay, so this, I repeat, the case of Hertz, it has been a top investment pick. For example, Jim Cramer, when I upgraded Hertz also last year at single digits, $9.56, which you find on the web, on YouTube. Jim Cramer was saying, Hertz, the bottom is 0, and the share price zoomed 300%. So the history repeats itself. It is always the same. There is no surprise. And I'm going to terminate, because this is amazingly important for those that they are serious in the markets. You have it here, more than 1,000 recommendations in real time, unlike the scammers on the web, in particular in the US. A complete guide to nail scammers on the web. So on social media, magazines, the press, and so on. It is here, this article, okay? It is available in real time. By the way, you have it here, one of the unique videos in the world with regards to the investment process in micro, as well as when to sell, okay? So, very important, 1% proven accuracy, not like, again, the American scammers, okay? And the guide, you'll find it here, the complete guide to nail a scammer on the web, all right? So it is, remarkably important to go through, to read it, okay? Because this is mathematically proven, all right? Very important, as well as what to expect from a serious professional investor. And then you have other video, you have here real-time stock charts, recommendations, 100% free on the web, not like the fucking Americans, okay? When they are buying the most, and we are recommending to sell short and announcing you are going to see a complete crash, a meltdown. I'm referring to Bitcoins, all these American scams, Ripple and so on, at the top. It's not at the bottom, ahead of 90% meltdown, all right? So just for your reference and to terminate, you have it here, Hertz at $16.71, so we were making lots of money as an investor in Hertz, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure, my friends, you are going to see on the news, the Americans are screaming, Hertz, we are making millions of dollars. You might even see Donald Trump on CNBC. I'm an investor, I'm a fucking investor, oh shit. And the tape tells the truth, my friends. And Micron, it is $53.70. It is not 59 yet, 60, $100. No, it's not fucking amazing. You understand? These are the Americans that they upgraded Micron to $100, but I upgraded Micron at single digit, $9.85, 100% free on the blog of the company. There is a difference, a substantial difference, okay? But nevertheless, Micron is a very good company. Otherwise, we will not have bought it recently at a price of $45.98, okay? 100% accuracy. And with this, I terminate. Thank you.